Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen microwave, updated. Start by adding enough water to fully cover the noodles in a microwave-safe bowl. Place a loose lid or plate over the bowl to capture steam and reduce splatter. Microwave in 1 to 3 minute bursts depending on power, stirring between bursts to separate noodles and check texture until they reach your preferred tenderness. Aim for consistency by testing your microwave and noting times for future bowls. Start with 60 to 90-second bursts on high power, stirring and checking between bursts. If your microwave is lower wattage, increase bursts or add 30 seconds until noodles are tender. Keep a small notebook or phone note of successful timings so you can repeat your favorite texture every time without guesswork or soggy surprises. Finish ramen by adding flavor and mix-ins after cooking for best results. Sprinkle the seasoning packet or soy sauce after draining a little water if you prefer a thicker broth. Fold in pre-cooked proteins, quick veggies, or an egg to elevate the meal without extra cooking time. Experiment with sesame oil, chili flakes, or green onions to personalize flavors while keeping cleanup fast and effort minimal for busy days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.